Alright, this is a little fun thing that I saw on YouTube, and I might as well track it over to my channel, but it's just really cool. Watch.
Swing on.
Makes him look like mad.
It's close. It's gone.
Makes him
Another homer for Benny.
look mad. And
Gone.
you can give him like little eyelashes.
Classic. Homered for his mom off of his dad.
Give him like tears and stuff.
Little detour around the bases, but he scores 6-5. Team Benny with his own home run. What do you think of Benny's 2 home runs today?
I mean, if you just see the way he did those over,
Yeah.
it's pretty obvious that he's used.
Oh, he's on the juice?
Yeah, he's on the juice.
Oh, man. Back-to-back homers, 7-5 Team Benny. Superman!
Just like decorate him.
Oh, man. Nice hit. And Batman is coming up with the bases loaded. We have Batman and Superman. Man, I'm not very good at picking teams. Benny loves cleaning off the plate.
This is kind of cool.
Another home run. 10-5 Team Benny. Benny's up for the 3rd time. Oh. Ben Sr. doesn't like that he hit 2 homers off him first 2 at bats.